and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to cover Civil 3D 2022 in Windows 11 and a quick tool to turn on, especially whenever you have very complicated projects with lots of line work, which could mean that you've got two lines on top of one another and you want to select one particular line but don't want to select just the one on top. So instead of having to send something to the back, you can use a tool called selection cycling, and that's what we're going to cover today. So you're going to see me open up Civil 3D 2022 now, and as you can see, this is Windows 11. And now we're going to go ahead and open up this sample project. With the sample project open, let's just go ahead and scoot this over. All right, so you can see we've got a lot of surveyed line work here. And I'm going to show you how to turn on selection cycling now. So first, you can type in selection cycling. This is where you would put the number, the quantity that you want the system variable to be set at. Generally, if you haven't set this before, it's going to be set at 0 or -2, and that's really off, 0 or -2. But we want it to be set at 1. So you can see here, if I select that, it's just going to pick the top line and not the sanitary line underneath it. If you select it here, that'll put it in your ribbon at the bottom there. Once it's in the ribbon at the bottom, you can turn it on and off from that ribbon. The other thing that you can do, when in doubt, type it out. So if you type in selection cycling, you can also set the system variable to be on there. So as long as the system variable value is set to 2, selection cycling is on. So -2 bad, +2 good. All right, and with it on, then you can go back up here, select, and it'll tell you, okay, this polyline's on top, that's the one underneath it, pick whichever one you'd like. And then if you have your properties open, you can see the details of that line over there. So for example, you have these two utilities right on top of each other. With selection cycling on, you can just pick whichever one you would like to select. And that is really it for this one. Again, selection cycling here, puts it in the ribbon down there. And then you can always type it out, selection cycling, if you'd like. And that is the tip for today. Thank you for following along. Please like and subscribe if you like this type of content. Again, my name is Kyle Vines, and you can also find me on Instagram at Kyle_Vines. On TikTok, you can find me at designer.dad. And yeah, thanks, and I will see you soon.